Section 2, questions 15 to 27. Read the text below and answer question for 15 to 20. Workplace health and safety considerations for plumbers. So it is about the health and safety considerations for plumbers. And in this reading passage, we have three main headings: biohazard waste, confined spaces, and electricity. On the other page, we have a table from question number 15 to 20. Complete the table below. Choose one word only from the text for each answer. Write your answers in boxes 15 to 20 on your answer sheet. So we have a table which has 4 columns. In the first column on the left side, there are the types of danger: biohazard, confined spaces, electricity. So we can say that the headings are basically the dangers: biohazard waste, confined spaces, and electricity. And in the next column we have found the examples. Question number 15: mold, bacteria, algae. And then there is nothing to fill up in the example section. And next column, risk involved. There are question number 16 and question number 17 which are related to the risk. So we have to keep in mind that we have to find the risks for the question number 16 and question number 17. And last column is necessary action, कि ज़रूरी क्या इक़दामात करने चाहिए. So in this column we have 3 questions: question number 18, 19 and 20. And for 18, 19, 20 we have to find the necessary actions, and which actions are very useful in preventing such type of dangers. So first of all, let's start. And the first type of danger is biohazard, and next column is example. So it means that we have to find the examples of the biohazards. 3 examples are already given: mold, bacteria, algae. And the first example we have to find for the question number 15. For the word examples, we can read the words like such as or including. So we have to keep in mind this heading, examples. And the other thing is the word biohazard. For biohazard we can read in the reading passage biological hazards. So let's read the section. For biohazard we can read biological hazards, and for examples we can read such as or including. So the answer of question number 15 will be in the biohazard section. So biohazard waste. Plumbers regularly come into contact with biohazard waste. It's the nature of the job, but that doesn't mean you should be complacent about it. According to Safe Work Australia, communicable diseases from work-related exposures to biological hazards. So it is the related word to the biohazard waste which is given in the question section. And then we have to find the examples. For the word example we can see the word such as, and after such as the main keyword which is the answer of the question number 15 is the sewage. Have been estimated to cause 3,20,000 deaths across the globe each year. In addition to this, यानी कि sewage के अलावा, plumbers are regularly exposed to other biohazards such as mold, bacteria and algae. So these 3 keywords are also given. So main answer is the word sewage. So we can write the sewage in question number 15. And then there are no blanks. Next danger is confined spaces. Confined spaces means limited places. And in the examples we don't need to find any kind of answer because there are no blanks, but we have to find the 2 risks for question number 16 and question number 17. So to find the risks we have to find the examples in the reading section. High concentrations of harmful airborne contaminants, for example carbon dioxide. And then we have to find the risk involved. Our first risk is the fire or explosion, which is also given. So we have to find the fire or explosion, then we have to find these lines in the reading section. After this we can find the answer of question number 16. So the answer of this question will be in the confined spaces. Word fire is very easy, so let's find the word fire. They may be exposed to high concentrations of airborne contaminants that may be harmful to the health. And so fire is given here, fire or explosion, which is already mentioned. They may be also be exposed to high concentration of airborne contaminants. So these lines match with the lines which are given here. A high concentration of harmful airborne contaminants, for example carbon monoxide. So after this, they are harmful to health. For example, one plumber was fined $220,000 after an employee suffered from carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is also given, which is written here. And the risk is carbon monoxide poisoning. So the answer of question number 16 is poisoning. And next keyword which is in the example section for the confined spaces is the water, and its necessary action is cut off water sources. We have to cut the water supply and we have to find the risk involved in it. So if water sources are not adequately cut off, अगर पानी के जो sources है उनकी अच्छे तरीके से कट ऑफ उनको ना किया जाए, उनको ना रोका जाए, तो फिर उसका खतरा क्या है? Another potential hazard for plumbers is in confined spaces is that of drowning. यानी एक और खतरा जो है वो प्लम्बर्स को है जनाब drowning का, यानी डूबने का, if water sources are not adequately cut off. So the answer of question number 17, which is the risk, that is the drowning. And next questions are 18, 19, 20, and that are related to the risk named electricity. And examples are already sought out. Metal pipes which are conductive, risk involved death from electrocution, and we have to find the necessary actions for question number 18, 19, and 20. So use insulated blank and appropriate equipment. So it means that we have to find the name of anything which can be used. Mostly whenever the word use comes, it means that we have to find the name of anything. Use insulated blank and appropriate equipment So use insulated appropriate equipment are the keywords, and that will be in the electricity section. So I have found the word insulation from part of a plumber's tool kit. So metal pipes are often conductive, and so gloves which provide insulation should form part of a plumber's tool kit. यानी कि ग्लव्स जो कि आपको इंसुलेशन मुहैया करते हैं, आपको सेफ्टी मुहैया करते हैं, ये प्लम्बर्स की टूल किट का हिस्सा होने चाहिए. So we have to use the gloves. So the answer of question number 18 is gloves. Next, question number 19. Ensure equipment has, यानी कि यकीनी बनाएं कि जो सामान आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं वो कुछ रखता हो. Has, word has is used here, so it means that it may be some kind of quality or anything which is related to the particular equipment. So let's find what will be the answer. Ensure equipment has. So for the word equipment, we have found the word electrical equipment because it is related to the section electricity. So electrical equipment is the right word for the word equipment in the question section. Like bridging conductors should be regularly checked with appropriate tags on the equipment to verify its safety. यानी कि जो सामान है इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट उसके साथ मुनासिब टैग्स होने चाहिए टू वेरीफाई इट सेफ्टी, ताकि उसकी जो सेफ्टी की जनाब क्या की जा सकते हैं, तस्दीक की जा सके. सो इट मीन्स देयर शुड बी टैग्स ऑन द इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट. सो answer of question 19 is tags. Last question. On to show it is safe, make sure electricity has been. On to show, ये यकीनी बनाने के लिए, it is safe कि ये महफूज है, make sure यकीनी बनाया, electricity has been कि बिजली हो, यानी कि महफूज बनाने के लिए ये यकीनी बनाए कि बिजली हो. So let's see what will have to be with the electricity to make it more safe. So electricity safe. The project should be stopped immediately if there is any sign of electricity. यानी कि काम को फ़ौरन बंद कर देना चाहिए अगर आपको बिजली की ज़रा सा भी साइन, कोई अलामत नज़र आए या फील हो. So that the power can be disconnected. So the word power means electricity. The power can be disconnected, यानी बिजली को डिस्कनेक्ट कर देना चाहिए by a qualified electrician prior to continuing work. यानी काम को शुरू करने से पहले माहिर इलेक्ट्रिशियन की तरफ से बिजली को डिस्कनेक्ट कर देना चाहिए. So it means that आपको यकीनी बनाना चाहिए कि बिजली क्या हो, डिस्कनेक्टेड हो. So the answer of question number 20 is disconnected.